It is June 16th, 2008, and we are coming to the end of the emergence of the 17-year cicadas. I hope this microphone is picking them up in the background. They were a little louder about 2 weeks ago, but they're here, and I'm going to try and get a close-up if I can find one. We have a whole bunch of trees I planted earlier this spring right here. The cicadas can cut and kill young trees, and I don't know if they've got in here and ruined any of these yet or not. But if the cicadas don't get them this spring, you can almost be sure the deer will get them by the end of winter. There's a little oak tree that went in. Here's an oak tree that the deer have already been munching on. And I didn't remember planting that many oaks in this little grove here. The cypress trees they shipped weren't any good, and they were dead before they went in the ground. No cicadas on the close-ups yet. The other day when I was cutting grass, they were so thick they swarmed me, and they were constantly on my shirt. But like I said, it's near the end of their emergence, and I'm not seeing near as many of them.